All right, now we're going to move on to step 3, which is showing you how to fine-tune the chain shark. If you notice here, this rod is centered in this opening. That's very important. If you get your grinder together and it's not centered, you've got an adjustment back here where you can tip your head back or forth. Or if it still doesn't want to center, you might have to fine-tune this main beam down here. Once you get that centered, we're going to give her a trial run. You want to grab your foot pedal. All you got to do is push this together. You can hold this in your hand for now. Put it in forward. Press the foot pedal. Turn on your speed control. See how nice and straight that's running in there? Everything looks good. I'm going to shut her back off, and I'm going to show you how to install the wheel. Just want to remove the retaining bolt here. Put your wheel up in there. Your bolt started again. Just tighten that up. Wheel's installed. Last thing we got to do is pop this end cap in over here. Just put her in the center. Push that in. And now you're ready to sharpen chain. That's the end of step 3.